Shocking news coming in right now. This is concerning drone attack at Moscow airport is being reported, and it concerns now with regard to our MP safety as well. The aircraft that had a passenger, Kanimori, circled in the air before it landed. The union government has appointed the DMK Deputy General Secretary and Parliamentary Committee Chairperson Kanimori, leading the delegation to Russia, Greece and other countries. We are told a delegation was formed to brief the country as well, remember, especially against Pakistan. And at this juncture, we are hearing of information that has come in at a time like this. Remember that India's position on terrorism had the focus was to explain that, but there's been appears to be a concerning situation. There's been reportedly a drone attack at the Moscow airport, where our aircraft of delegates, including Kanimori, was also expected to land. It's landed successfully is what we are told, but the aircraft circled in the air before it landed. This is concerning. I want to immediately get in some details on this. It's a close shave for our delegates, and not just Kanimori. Remember, Kanimori was leading a delegation. So there would be at least 5 to 6 other members of parliament, different political parties. And because there was an attack at Moscow airport, this has led to a concern. I want to immediately bring in Pramod Madhav on this. Pramod, what are you hearing about what exactly happened? We understand that Russia and Ukraine have been at war. Is it connected to that?
What the Kanimori's team has said is that they are going over to this particular area as a delegation that was allowed. They asked to go ahead and explain about the India's action through Operation Sindoor, and this is when she was supposed to land at Moscow. But the team has said that her flight was delayed for some time, and the kind of reason that was given there was that there was a swarm of drone attacks which has caused the delay. But however, after a certain period of time, the landing, they landed safely, and we also got visuals of right now Kanimori reaching the hotel as well, and they have planned to meet the Russian officials by today. Pooja.
Stay on with me, Pramod, because it appears that there was reportedly a drone attack at the Moscow airport. Flights were temporarily denied permission to land, and therefore the aircraft which had Kanimori and others was unable to land, had to circle in the air. So disturbances being reported, and we'll try and get more clarity on what exactly happened. Pramod, we can see the visuals of them arriving safely. She's being welcomed by the officials, the delegations, but any word yet from Kanimori directly or any of the delegates?
Pooja, we have spoken to Kanimori's team, who have informed us that she has landed safely, even though the flight's landing got delayed by a couple of hours, and they had to circle over the Moscow airspace just to make sure that the landing is safe. And they've also said, due to time difference, Kanimori is not able to, they're not able to reach Kanimori right now, but they have also shared us visuals of her reaching the hotel safely, and they also said that everything is fine for now, but delay was due to, they also were not aware what was the reason for the delay earlier, but it was informed that it was due to a drone attack, a swarm drone attack over there, and that delayed the landing. But however, the delegates have landed safely at Moscow airport, Pooja.
All right, Pramod, please stay on with me, because this is a reminder of currently, remember, the conflicts across the world, but what a close shave for Kanimori and her team. Pramod Madhav has spoken to the team members of Kanimori to help us understand how for several hours, both domestic international flights, including that carrying Kanimori, had to circle in the air because there was a drone attack at the Moscow airport. And perhaps at a juncture like this, countries that are facing these sort of concerns would really understand what India has faced all these decades from Pakistan. So we are staying with this big story. Pramod, I request you to please stay on. Remember, the delegation is scheduled to hold consultations in Moscow with the country's foreign minister and other officials as well. The MP delegation, which is being led by Kanimori, you see that she's thankfully successfully unharmed landed at the airport. Clearly at that juncture, all was safe. All right, I have the details. I have the details about who was in the team, that means in the aircraft with Kanimori. Kanimori, of course, leading the delegation. Rajiv Rai from the SP. Mia Altaf Ahmed, National Conference. Captain Brajesh Chautar from the BJP. Prem Chand Gupta from the RJD. Dr. Ashok Kumar Mittal, Aam Aadmi Party. Ambassador Manjeev Puri as well was there. Ambassador Javed Ashraf also were there. These are all big names. Remember, they have to visit Spain, Greece, Slovenia, Latvia. They're starting from Russia. So what a beginning, really, a close shave, and thankfully all of them are safe. That means, remember, the moment they were about to land, just before that, there was a drone attack. So at least for a while, which means at least several hours, they had to circle in there. Is Pramod, if still with me? Pramod, I want to understand from you what you're telling us at this juncture, that there was, that Ukraine reportedly, these are reports that I'm quoting from, Ukraine reportedly launched a drone attack on Moscow airport in Russia. They've been in a conflict and a war for over 3 years. Flights were denied permissions to land at the airport. They were about to land. And that's when, at the airport, there was a drone attack. And only when all clearances were given, that's when they were able to land. So concerning situation in different parts of the world. Pramod, can you tell me about the timing possibly? When did this happen? When did she land? Any details that you have right now? And any more word from the team?
Pooja, what happened is that after Kanimuri was decided to be part of a delegate and lead the delegation to Russia, she actually spoke in Chennai airport before leaving, where she said that she's happy that the Indian government has chosen her to be a part of the delegation. And she also thanked her brother M.K. Stalin, the chief minister, for to represent DMK as part of it. And she went over there and she clearly stated that this is about the Indian government's decision over Operation Sindoor and what kind of
Pramod,
actions
keep
were
tracking
taken.
the latest. Thankfully, all of them landed safely.